What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix the voice chat is not working on Fortnite on your Windows 11 and how we can fix it. So let me directly get into a step. So the first one is all about, we just need to go over here at the bottom. We can see we have the speaker icon, select this one, right click over here and navigate to the sound settings. Now from here you have to scroll down and you have to see there is an output and input. So on the output, as you can see, you have to select the right output device, and if you go over here on the input, you have to select the right audio device as well. That is the first and famous step. So if you select anything randomly, you will be having the trouble. So make sure that you select the right audio device for the input. Now, also you have to scroll down a little bit and you can see there is an option called for the volume. Make sure this is not muted or it's been set into any kind of neutral value, or if it is more muted, you'll be having the trouble with the voice chat. So make sure it is not muted over here. And also if you scroll down, you can see we have more sound settings. Click on this one. And right now you have to go here, make sure that you select the right audio device from here, and you have to right click on this one, make sure it is disabled, it is set into the default one. So you can select this and you can go for the set default, which means it's already the default one. You can see there is the tick icon here which says it is a default one. Now you have to add or make sure that you have selected the right device and it is also enabled, and you have to right click on this one and you have to go to the properties and go to the advanced. Make sure that you put a check on this particular box, allow applications to take exclusive control of this device should be selected, and go for OK and make sure this one. And this is what you have to do when it comes to how to fix the voice chat is not working for the Fortnite game. After turning this or cross-checking this, you can just go to the Epic Games Launcher and you can launch the game, and most probably that's gonna help you guys out. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. See you soon next video. Peace out. Bye bye.